Here we moved on to question number 11. A and B are the roots of the equation 3x square minus 5x minus 8, where A is greater than B. Also, Fn is this. Find the value of this. Let's do this. So 3x square minus 5x minus 8. So if I try to solve it, 3 into minus 8 is minus 24 and minus 5x. So it will be equal to minus 8x plus 3x minus 8 is equal to 0, or x into 3x minus 8 plus 1 into 3x minus 8 is equal to 0. So the roots are 8 by 3 and minus 1. He says the roots are a and b. A is greater than b. So a is represented by 8 by 3 and b is represented by minus 1. Now Fn is equal to this, and find the value of 3f5 minus 8f3 upon 2f4. Let's start solving for that. First of all, what is f of 5 according to that? F of 5 would be equal to a to the power n, that is 8 by 3 raised to the power 5, minus b to the power n, which means minus 1 to the power 5, or I can say it is 8 by 3 raised to the power 5 plus 1, because minus 1 to the power 5 would be minus 1, with another minus sign it will be plus 1. Similarly, when I talk about f of 3, it would be 8 by 3 raised to the power 3 minus minus 1 raised to the power 3. So ultimately it would become 8 by 3 raised to the power 3, again plus 1. And finally, I need f of 4 as well. So what is f of 4 from here? F of 4 is 8 by 3 raised to the power 4 minus minus 1 raised to the power 4, which is actually plus 1. Let's put all of them into this equation and try to solve it. So 3 times of f of 5. So 3 times of 8 by 3 raised to the power 5, and then plus 1. So that is plus 3, minus 8 times of f of 3, that is 8 times of 8 by 3 raised to the power 3, and then plus 1, that is minus 8, because outside we have a minus sign, divided by 2 times of f of 4, that is 2 times of 8 by 3 raised to the power 4 minus 2. So from the first few terms, what do I get from these two terms? I can take 8 by 3 cube common. So if I take 8 by 3 cube common outside, what do we have inside? It is 3 into 8 by 3 square, that is 64 by 9, right? Minus 8 into 1. So basically this, and plus 3 minus 8 is minus 5, divided by that is there. So I have a less space. So I would not be writing that here. So now the next one is 8 by 3 whole cube. Inside what do I have? 3 3s are 9. So it is 64 by 3 minus 8, or I have 40 by 3 and then minus 5. 40 by 3 minus 5. If you just look at this, what is 40 by 3 minus 40 by 3? It is 8 into 5 by 3. If I further solve it, let me do it here. So it will become 8 by 3 whole cube into 8 by 3 into 5 minus 5. And the moment I take 5 common probably from here, right? If I take 5 common, inside I would have 8 by 3 raised to the power 4 minus 1. Now this 8 by 3 to the power 4 minus 1 can be cancelled out with the denominator if that 2 is common taken, right? If I just take 2 common, 8 by 3 to the power 4 minus 1 is cancelled out. In the numerator 5 is left, in the denominator 2 is left. So my answer is 5 by 2. I would say slightly lengthy question, probably could have been avoided during the exam time, because there is a lot of calculations, though not difficult in solving. लेकिन थोड़ा सा तो मेहनत a little bit of practice we have to do for such kind of questions to do them. But yes, definitely not doable during the exam. So the answer is option C for this question.